Hi friends, we have to solve this exponential equation 4 to the power x plus 2 plus 4 to the power minus x is equal to 10. So we have to find out value of x. Okay, so let's start. This can be break as 4 to the power x into 4 square plus this can be written as 1 over 4 to the power x is equal to 10. Okay, let 4 to the power x is equal to t, right? So this equation will change as 16t plus this as 1 over t is equal to 10. Fine. T as LCM, so 16t square plus 1 is equal to 10, right? So 16t square, this and this, minus 10t plus 1 is equal to 0, right? 16t square, this as minus 8t minus 2t plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, if we take 8t as common, so we get 2t minus 1, and here minus 1 as common, so 2t minus 1 is equal to 0, right? Now we have factors as 2t minus 1 and 8t minus 1 is equal to 0, right? Now we have two cases, 2t minus 1 is equal to 0 and 8t minus 1 is equal to 0, right? So t will be equal to half, right? As we have assumed t is equal to 4 to the power x, and this can be written as 2 to the power minus 1, right? Now 4 to the power x can be changed as 2 square x is equal to 2 to the power minus 1, or we can write 2 to the power 2x is equal to 2 to the power minus 1, right? So same base, 2x will be equal to minus 1, or x is equal to minus half, right? If we go with this, 8t is equal to 1, or t is equal to 1 by 8, right? T, as we have assumed, 4 to the power x is equal to 8 to the power minus 1, right? So 4 as 2 square to the power x is equal to 8 can be written as 2 cube to the power minus 1, right? So 2 to the power 2x is equal to 2 to the power minus 3, right? So here same base, 2x will be equal to minus 3, or x will be equal to minus 3 by 2, right? So both the values of x will satisfy the equation, right?